What is up, y'all? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Weslynn. This is my channel. This is Weslynn. Today I'm going to be making you guys how to make lip gloss keychains. It's going to be a recreation of like a video I made like many years ago. Yeah, let's just get started, and I just want to get into everything that you need. First is, of course, you're going to need your lip glosses. These are the lip oils that I made in a video. Like, these are so nice, smooth. Yes, I'm going to be coming out with a lip gloss keychain, and I'll let you guys know when they're available on the site. I have many recipes on my YouTube channel on how to make lip oil wholesale, coming really soon. So yeah, stay on the lookout for that. And yeah, so this is what it's giving. These are so cute. Like, look at those other lip gloss keychains, and aren't they like the cutest? And look at the little stars. Like, this is so cute. I just love these so much. It has like a clearer too, and I think it'll just be a lot cuter with a pink cap. But yeah, they're really cute though, and they're just like on the chain. Look at that, they're so cute. I love these so much. The next thing you're gonna need is like keychain things. So sometimes they will come, most of the time they will come with like this type of clasp. I think this is what they call it. Like, it'll come with like this type of clasp, which is just like this standard edition, like hook onto your keychain. But I think what's really cool is if you can find one that matches your business, color, shape. I found these star ones because I had the idea of like a star keychain. Yo, look how cute these are. These are so cute. You're gonna need like a clasp. I got these ones on Amazon, but honestly, y'all, let me put y'all on game. Y'all could probably get these on like Shein or AliExpress or Alibaba, somewhere like a lot. Even Temu, you can probably get these somewhere like for a lot cheaper than what you pay for them on Amazon. But they're so cute. Look at that. They're so cute. If you're gonna need like a push pin or something just to poke a hole in the tube. These thingies, I don't know what these are called. Just like these little hoops. Just what's gonna put the keychain on the lip oil. Go get these at Joann's because y'all, they're cheap at Joann's, I know for a fact. If you want any of the exact products I use to make any of this, I get most of this on Amazon. I'll put my affiliate link down below. I do earn a commission from if y'all use the link to purchase the item. Next is here. These are called pliers. So you're gonna use some pliers. These ones are like the ones made for jewelry. Like, they're like smaller. I got it came with like a third one, but yo, I cannot find that one. And that one's actually the most helpful one. This one's like really sharp. This one's to cut. Like, the pink one is to cut. Let's get started into the video. Is you want to take the lip oil, press a little hole in the top, like that. And typically you might need something else to make the hole bigger. Sometimes you pick up, and you're going to take your tweezer and pick up one of the hoops. Pick up one of the hoops and just let that go, and you want to just push it in to the hole, as you can see here. So this is what it will look like. I will do it again. One, poke a hole, and make sure it's like far away from the actual product, because I have actually probably have done that before where I accidentally press way too low. You want to get it right in the center, like right in the center, and then take your plier and push it right through the hole. No, but yeah, just take your plier. Y'all, these are flipping around everywhere. Hold on. Sometimes it is gonna be a little bit more difficult than other times. Yeah, just push it right in the hole. I'm gonna do it one more time just to show y'all. Take your tube, press. Don't press it too far near the product. Press it like right in the middle, like right in the middle. And I will admit, sometimes it will be right here. Look, I'm about to show y'all this. So this one accidentally split. So I'm going to just show you this. So this one accidentally split. So if you have a split one, you have many options. Of course, you can just discard it and maybe just keep the lip oil for yourself, or you can put the lip gloss keychain on a different side. Like, you don't have to directly put it in the middle. You can easily put it like on the side. So even if you do mess up on the first like side, you still have a lot of space to put another hole and put another keychain in there. But sometimes what I would do, I'm going to show you a hack. I'll just take the push pin and just kind of wiggle it. You can stretch it from each side. Just so that it's more space, and then you get a bigger hole. And then take your pliers. For some reason this one's giving me a really hard time. I'm just showing y'all like the reality of stuff, you know. More, as you can see here, I made the hole way bigger. And ta-da, we finally got it in. And that's if you want it like on a different side. This is such a simple craft, but once it should just look something like this. Really simple. So everything else from here is relatively easy. Take like the little clasp, just connect it like that through the hoop, just push it together, and that is how it is. So I'm going to just show y'all one more time. Now this is like one of my favorite things to make. I love making these. Go in, put the whole circle go hand in hand together. And then ta-da! And we're gonna do it one more time. And even if you was to use like this one, it's still the same thing. A lot of you might probably use more. It's literally the same thing. You just connect it like that. Take one plier and just close it. And it's literally the same exact thing. So yeah, that is how you make the lip gloss keychains. This is a super simple craft. It is so fun to do. Like, it's one way to sell your product or add something new to your shop, revamp some inventory. I'm so excited to like design labels for these lip oils. Look how cute these are. You know, these are so cute. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the supplies I use to make these, I will put my Amazon affiliate links down below. I do earn a commission if you want to find the exact keychains, the exact pliers, the exact lip oil ingredients, the exact tubes. And check out my business, Thebeautypackage, and you can use code YouTube or New Beauty for money off of your order, releasing my spring body oils. So that'll be coming up super soon, first week of April. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.